This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Here are 7 stories we're following today, August 21st, 2023. First, the S&P 500 has fallen nearly 5% over the last month, and the NASDAQ has given up nearly 30% of its gains it has had year to date. Second, the NASDAQ is still up 28% year to date. The S&P 500 is still up 14.27% year to date. Let's hope they don't give up too much more of those losses. Third, futures point up this morning, but they've about halved the gains that they were showing earlier this morning. We'll see if that holds for the day. Article in Bloomberg, see U.S. futures signal bounce after 3-week slump. Fourth, Bitcoin opens at 26,200 or so. It was as high as 31,000 about 6 weeks ago. It's still up 58% year to date, but it's given up some of those gains. Fifth, thrilled to highlight a great book by Stanford Sloven, who happens to be a wealth manager. He's written a book called Better Listening, The Secret to Improving Your Professional and Personal Life. Stan happens to actually be a tremendous listener, so thrilled with him putting out this book. Sixth, all eyes are on NVIDIA this week. NVIDIA has grown into one of the largest cap companies in America. It's the chip maker that's gotten way out in front on AI chips and so forth. Its stock is almost up 200% year to date. Finally, seventh, the 7th largest U.S. companies by market date, and this was spurred by looking again at NVIDIA's market cap. NVIDIA's 5th at $1.069 trillion, up literally 200% year to date. Apple's first at $2.744 trillion. Remember, it had been up as high as $3.2 trillion, so it's moved back, but still at $2.744 trillion in the number one company by market cap. Second is Microsoft at $2.353 trillion. Third is Google/Alphabet, which, like Facebook, is having a great comeback year. It's at $1.624 trillion. Fourth is Amazon at $1.366 trillion. Fifth again is NVIDIA, that's the last one that's over $1 trillion, $1.069 trillion. And sixth and seventh are Meta Platforms/Facebook at $725 billion and Tesla at $682 billion. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Thank you very much.